Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about Obsidian and compare it with GoodNotes. In order to do so, we're starting off here at obsidian.md. And if you're interested in Obsidian, you can come to their website and you can download Obsidian for Windows. They also have additional platforms you can download for. We've got it on iOS, Android, Windows, Mac, and Linux. So any platform that you want to download it for, you can do that. And the nice thing about Obsidian is that it is free. So you can download Obsidian and it is free forever. Now that comes with a little bit of a caveat in that if you look down here, then we can see that it is additional cost if you want to sync Obsidian across devices. So if you hope to put Obsidian on your computer and also on your phone, then you are going to need to pay the monthly subscription, which is $5 USD. So that is the fine print there on the free plan. But if you want to download it on your PC, then you can do that, and we can take a look here and see what that looks like. So a very clean interface, and we have all of our notes here on the left hand side, and in the main area here is where you can type your notes out. And Obsidian is very straightforward. There's not too many bells and whistles. There are some additional features that you can play with. We do have a graph view, we do have a canvas, and there is today's daily note. So if you just click here, then today, then you'll automatically get a daily note with the date on it. So that's kind of nice. And we also have the option to insert a template. We don't have any template folders configured right now. And we have the open command palette. So here you could see the different commands that are here for Obsidian. If you are looking to just start a brand new note, then we have this icon here that says new note. We can just click on that. And the nice thing about Obsidian is that all you have to do is type in your title, hit enter, and it will just automatically rename that there on the left-hand side. Let's go ahead and compare this with GoodNotes, and we'll go to the GoodNotes website, which is goodnotes.com. And GoodNotes is a very cool note idea. It does have a charge of $6.99 per year, which is quite reasonable. The difference between GoodNotes and other note-taking software is that GoodNotes is much more for people who are interested in handwriting and in drawing. You can see here that GoodNotes is very much designed around the concept of handwriting. So it's more appropriate for a tablet. Now you can definitely use it on a PC or a Mac. And if we go up here to the top where it says download, then we can see here that we have a few options to download all the major platforms: iOS, Mac, Windows, Android, and there's even a web version. So you can definitely use it on your PC if you have a pen, a stylus that you want to use. But this is more so engineered, I would say, for a tablet. And we can kind of see that here in the image that they have. And again, it's much more engineered towards people who like handwriting and want to draw and things of that sort, which is perfectly fine. I would say that for myself personally, that's not something that's particularly of interest to me. I think I'd rather deal with just sort of a standard note-taking software, but it certainly is something that if you are into handwriting, and here we could see that we can write equations, mind maps, and diagrams on a blank canvas, edit your ink after you've noted it down. We have 50 plus different templates to inspire every use case. You could see the different templates that we have here. And it is really quite dynamic. There's some a lot of artistic beauty to it, let's say, with GoodNotes for sure. But again, it's more so engineered towards people who like to use a pen, and that is what their preference is. So if that's you, then by all means, you can go to I would say probably the iOS or Android is going to be your best bet. But of course, they do have it for Mac and Windows as well. But you're just going to need to make sure that you have a stylus if you're going to use GoodNotes. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.